Hi.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Have you ever had a dream to have 2 houses for only one price?
Sure. What do you got? Show me the house.
Okay, first, this is the living room. Then, this is the dining room.
Wow, it's pretty spacious.
This is the kitchen.
Wow.
Now, we're gonna go upstairs.
That's the second house back here? Okay. All right, let's go see the rest of the house.
This is the first bedroom, the massage bedroom, massage bedroom. You want to do massage. This is the place where you get your massage at. The bathroom. This is the first bathroom. There's more than one bathroom.
Nice.
This one is bathroom. Oh, wait.
Wow.
We have blue. Nice blue. A white house. Okay. It's really comfy.
Wow, this one's pretty big too.
Look at the people too. Now come on. My favorite part is the restroom.
That is a beautiful thing.
Then you have an extension that's very hard to see. They have a little hard to Now let's go to the other house.
Are these brand new appliances?
Huh? Yeah.
Brand new appliances?
Mm-hmm. Now, I didn't show you this part. You can just sit down if you want here to sleep. If you want to.
Oh, it's got a separate address too. Nice. Oh, and then the garage and then the seats that you can sit out. Pretty exciting.
Comes in house number 2.
Nice. Beautiful.
We're going to show you the first bedroom. Has a flat screen TV. 14 and up. Even comes with this. Read a book right here. And read a bedtime story to your little kid. It's great for hosting, and you can fit a lot of family members if you want any family.